How to fix Twitter lag issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for Twitter app. Now from here, if your Twitter app is not updated, then it will show a update option here. So update the app, and after updating, the Twitter will start working properly. But after updating, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down, and here tap on apps. Now in apps, again tap on this apps option and then scroll down, and here tap on this Twitter app. Now go to the storage, and from here clear the cache memory and app data. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after doing this, the Twitter app will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution to fix this issue is try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings. Now scroll down, and here click on system and updates. Now here click on software update, and from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then tap on download and install to update the phone's software. And after updating the software, it will fix the Twitter lag issue. So that's how you can fix the Twitter lag issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.